eKEPLER ERP is a fully blown ERP system that can handle and manage the information of any small and medium business. When you access to the system requires your user code, your password, and your role. As soon as you access, you have access to the full company information through the models of executive analysis, financials, operations, inventory management, sales and marketing, and the general maintenance of the ERP. In this example, we're going to generate an invoice through a previous purchase order, and the purchase order will control with all the information from the back order. As we access to the system, all the sales, purchase, and payments operations are in this model of operations. We're going to go to sales. We're going to generate an invoice. All of the screens, operational screens of the ERP have a similar use. The system is fully branch, multi-warehouse, and multi-document. You can access to the customer catalog, choose a code, and generate an invoice depending on the sales orders that have been previously generated. As we select the sale order, the system brings to screen all the information regarding to the product, quantity, and price that was fixed on the sales order. Through this invoice, we are going to generate and affect 3 different business areas. It's going to be accounting, it's going to be the inventory transactions in the main warehouse, and the accounts receivable. So we're going to generate this accounts receivable for $17.4 through 30 days prior this date, June 11th. And the system automatically generates the payment date as July 11th. As we generate the invoice, the system prints the invoice in screen. We can then send it to a printer or send it through an email. With the invoice generated, if we search and see the information created in the financials, accounts receivable, on-screen customer balance sheet, or the accounts receivable analysis, we can do this analysis only for our customer. And as we generate the analysis, we will find our invoice that we just did today. In the same way, we can go to the inventory model, reports, movement transactions, and search only in the main warehouse the movement created today. It's the 11th. As we generate the report, the system shows us all of the information of the inventory and the invoice that we've just done. We can find it right here, direct invoice. And at the end, if we return to the financials accounting model and we search for the auxiliary report for today, also June 11th, all the accounts, the system will show us all the information of all of the accounts. In one of these accounts, we will find a journal voucher, 24D, that has the $17.4. If we go and search this direct voucher, journal voucher D24, inside our journal entries, consult D24, this is our direct invoice, journal voucher, that was generated automatically from the invoice that we just did.